Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to publish Wix website for free. So first thing that you need to do is you have to open that specific website that you want to upload or you want to publish. So for this example, I want to publish this one. So before that, I'm going to click on the preview option so I would be able to see things right here if I have to edit some of the elements of this page. Now that I am sure that this page is great, I can now click on the publish option at the top right of the screen. And here you can see the get a free Wix.com domain. So here you can type out the name of your website or you can connect your own customized domain. So this one is not for free. So we are going to select this free one right here and then just click on save and continue. Then once you've done that, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Then here your site is saved. So you just have to click on the done option if you don't have anything to edit right here. And once you've done that, your site is now ready and can be viewed by the public. Okay, so you can now click on the view site and be able to see how it looks like to the other people who are going to visit this site. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.